हॉलान एक मीटिंग झाली दॅट इन्वॉल्व्ड डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ ट्रान्सपोर्ट, आमचे GSIDC, TTC, consultant from Apsa bus stand of Rahul Deshpande, along with chairperson Apsa Municipal Council CEO and a group of 4 councillors including myself, MLA of Apsa. तिथून आमचे CMान मागलेले की यू टेक अ ग्रुप ऑफ युअर काउन्सिलर्स अलॉंग विथ चेअरपर्सन एंड एक प्रेजेंटेशन रिगार्डिंग द फ्लो मुवमेंट कशें जातलें म्हापशान, विल इट इफेक्ट सिटी ट्रॅफिक. तितून आमचे SP ट्रॅफिक एंड PI ट्रॅफिकूय आसले. सो दॅट मीटिंग बेसिकली वॉज टू अंडरस्टँड द इफेक्ट the new bus stand is going to have on the traffic flow and traffic management in the city of Mapsa. And तितून आमकां कळपाक आयलें की बस स्टँड जो आसा that can be taken up in 2 phases. Phase 1 that includes the terminus, bus terminus, and phase 2 that will involve the market, multi-level parking as well as the commercial zone. So we came to a decision that we'll take up the म्हापसा बस स्टँड in 2 phases because proposed cost जो आसा म्हापशे बस स्टँडाचो 300 कोटी 10 लाख. So it is a very big amount. So if we break down that amount into 2 phases, we can start the process as soon as possible. After yesterday's meeting, I have to take up the minutes of yesterday's meeting with the Chief Minister. चड करून आयज करपाचो आसा, पूण आयज जर जाय नाल्यार फाल्यां or maybe by Monday we will get it going. Michael Lobo also mentioned regarding the cleaning and beautification of the current acquired land. That initiative has already been taken. I have last month requested the Directorate of Transport to send a circular to send a note to ATCL officials to clear up that entire place, or let the Department of Transport direct the Mapsa Municipal Council to clear up that entire place, and subsequently let one of the executing authorities, PWD or GSIDC, clear that entire area, fence it, तितून leveling करून जे पावसान थंय चिखल भरता, खड्डे भरता, it is, you cannot drive in that, and it is causing lot of air pollution in terms of dust to the commuters जे कोण भितर भायर सरता म्हापशान, along with the tourists जे येता, they are also suffering a lot because of the current situation of the bus stand. And तो जागो जो आसा तो 2015च्यान तसोच पडलेलो आसा. So it has been 4 years the people of Mapsa are suffering, and it is my duty and responsibility to make sure that things there are, upkept and at least presentable until the bus stand project commences. So we are moving forward in that direction to get that entire area cleaned. आणि आमचो जो आदलो सद्याचो बस स्टँड आसा, whatever basic repair and maintenance that needs to be done, that request has also been put to KTCL officials. So they will initiate that process and make sure that basic upliftment of that current bus stand starts as soon as possible.